few weeks back, I was getting ready to go to Smokeout, and when I went out into the garage to get on the bike and get ready to leave, I noticed that I had a flat rear tire. I was walking around the bike to get back to it, and I caught my Beyond Rider pants on the little arm that comes off of my lawnmower, and it ripped one of the cargo pants pockets. That led to me needing to buy a new pair of pants. And because it's fall, weather's starting to get cooler, I decided I wanted to pick up one of their flannel shirts as well. They came today. We're gonna unbox it right after this. What's up? I'm Jim. Welcome back to J Street Moto. Welcome to the channel if it's your first time. First off, let me say the Beyond Rider cargo pants did not rip. What ripped was the stitching that held the pocket on those pants. It's getting ready to be fall here, and I kind of wanted to try out one of their flannel protective shirts. So I ordered both. I ordered a replacement pair of pants and I ordered one of their flannel shirts. We're gonna unbox it in this episode, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions. I already know what my impression's gonna be of the pants. I did get a different color this time, but I'm gonna give you my first impressions on the shirt. That's primarily what this one's about. We're going to cut this box open right now. Let's see what's in the box. I had the gray ones before. I decided to get these in khaki. It is getting to be that time of year where you might need to get some additional gear. Maybe the stuff from last year is worn out, or you just want a new look. In this description, I will link my affiliate link for Beyond Riders. If you choose to use that link when you buy, I get a little bit of a kickback for every order that comes in. It's like 10 bucks an order. I have a code. It's all capital letters. JSTMOTO10. If you use that code, whether you're using my affiliate link or whether you're going directly to the Beyond Rider site without using my affiliate link, you will get $10 off of your order. These are the Beyond Rider loose fit cargo pants. The ones that I had that were gray that I ended up ripping, those things breathe super well. I've worn this style pant in both cooler weather and warmer weather, and I was comfortable in both scenarios. Don't know how they do it. They breathe when it's hot, and when it's cool, I don't get cold. Kudos to you guys over at Beyond Riders. Now let's get into the shirt. This is what I'm really interested in. Here is the shirt. I got the blue and black checkered. If you haven't figured out by my logo yet, blue is one of my favorite colors, as is black. That's why my logo looks the way it does. It also comes with some stickers on it. And it appears, yes they do, they have a few replacement buttons. These are snaps, and not only is it snapped, but it also has a zipper on it. On the inside there is a pouch for a back protector, CE armor. This is CE level 1. And these are CE level 1. Shoulder and elbow. This shirt is Kevlar lined. What you have is you've got an outer shell, then you have the Kevlar, then you have this mesh layer that's made to make it breathe. Let's put the armor in it so we can see what it looks like with the armor in. On the inside of the jacket, shows you a picture of kind of how the armor goes in. We're gonna try and get it in here, see how easy it is to push in. The pocket, it's form fitted to the pad, so you don't have to worry about getting everything aligned. Pants are that way too. For your knee and hip protectors, they don't move around. Once you have the pad in it, you're good to go. What they have is 3 different Velcro straps, so you can position the shoulder where you need it. All of them are identical, so the shoulder pad will go in. Now to get the arm armor in, let's say that 5 times real fast. To get that in, you have to flip the jacket inside out, and the pouch is here. These guys are what's going to hold it where you want it on your arm, and this down here is where it opens up for you to insert that armor. And then I'll show y'all what the whole thing looks like on. It has zippers on the sleeve. It's got buttons on the sleeve, 2 of them, so you can make it tighter or looser. And it has down the inside of the side of the body of the shirt, it's got a zipper that opens up and allows it to let air in. There are also zippers on the pockets. I ordered it one size bigger than what I actually need, mainly because I intend on wearing it as a jacket, not as a shirt. So this is going to be something I put on over a lot of layers. Some of those layers may be a sweatshirt. So let's try it on and see how it fits with the armor in it. There we go. Let's try this on and zip it up. I could probably move the elbow pads a little further this way. They are currently stopping like right here and my elbow's there, so I'm probably going to relocate those up just a little bit. The shoulder pads are for sure exactly where they need to be. And the back pad, I can feel where it covers. I'm going to be interested when I edit this video to see how this shirt actually looks. I like it. I really do. I'm inside my house. It's, I don't know, probably 72 degrees in here, and I am not uncomfortable wearing this. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Is it a good look? Do you like it? Would you wear something like this? It is CE certified. I love the fact that it's got an American flag on it. This is an American company. I've been sitting here for a few minutes. I'm still not hot. I can tell you right now, when I ride in this, it's going to be comfortable. I probably wouldn't wear it on days like where it's above like 80 degrees. I think it's going to be a little warm then. But certainly anything from like 70, quite honestly, I can see wearing this into the mid 40s if I have a couple of layers underneath it. And I like the fact that it looks like a shirt. It seems to be well made. I'm going to run it for a little while. I'm probably going to put somewhere around 2,500 to 3,000 miles, maybe more, on this between now and like, I don't know, call it the end of November. Maybe first week of December, and I'll come back then with another video that tells y'all what my thoughts are on it. I am going to run it for a while with the armor. I'm probably going to put armor in the pants so that I run it the way that they are, the way you would wear it to have the most protection. Just to give you a feel for what I think the comfort level is. That's it. That's all I had. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I can't believe we're almost at 2,800 subscribers, and I'd really like to reach 3,000. So any help you can give me in that arena would be appreciated. Don't just click the subscribe button though. Go watch a couple of other videos. Just pick something off my list that looks like, hey, I think I'd be interested in hearing about that. Watch me do a couple of other videos. Make sure I'm your cup of tea. I might not be. If I'm not, that's cool. But if I am, consider subscribing to the channel. It does help me out. Share it with your friends. Let your friends know about it. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Like this video. Comment. If you've got questions that you feel are longer than a comment, drop it in an email. You can email me at jstmoto22@gmail.com. Send me an email. I respond to every comment and email personally. Do that for me. I hope you're getting out there and riding. October and November, and sometimes really December, are amazing months to ride in North Carolina, at least where I live. It starts to cool off. The bike really loves it at the temperatures we're getting ready to get into. And I really like riding at those temperatures because I'm not, dying from heat and humidity. So I hope y'all are getting out there and riding and having a chance to enjoy your bikes and chew up some miles for the last few months of the year before we get into what would be considered winter. I know I've got subscribers that live in places where they do have a riding season, and their riding season is quickly coming to an end. I hope you get out there and put some miles down. I really do. No matter what you do, check on your friends and always ride safe.